What's up, guys? Murray here with Murray's Mobile Mechanics, and welcome to the channel. Today's vehicle is a 2021 Toyota Highlander 3.5 liters V6 all-wheel drive, and it's a 3.5 liters. So let me flip the camera. I show you today's job is just a front brake pad and rotor replacement. So that's our vehicle right there, and I've done the passenger side, so I'll show you how it's done on the actually driver side. So safety first, we've secured the vehicle in the back, the parking brake is engaged, and you can see this is the setup right here. I've taken off the wheel. We were waiting on parts, so I've taken off the wheel using a 21mm lug nut, and this is our wheel right here, and I think the lug nuts are right here. We use a 21mm socket with the impact wrench. So we are going to remove, this is a 40mm bolt. We're going to use a 40mm socket right here and a 70mm piece spec wrench right here. You need to have a thin one that will fit right there, and then we're going to lift this caliper up, and then we're going to compress the piston. It's a dual piston caliper. We are going to compress the pistons, and once we compress the pistons, we're going to remove the brake pads. And after removing the brake pads, we have two 19mm bolts holding the brake caliper. We got one here and one at the bottom right here. We're going to take those out, and these brakes are rusty, so once we take the rotor out, I'll use a hammer, and I'm going to put a lug nut right here so that the rotor doesn't fly out. And once we take the rotor out, we are going to clean the flange for the wheel bearing right there on the hub face. We're going to clean it with a bunch of wire brushes, also with the wire brush impact, and then we're going to use anti-seize so that next time it doesn't get stuck right there. And then we're going to use some lube right there to actually lubricate the braking system. So the part number for the brake pads is there right there, DG2304. It's a Duralast brand, and it's got the accessories, the springs, the retainer springs, and then the hardware. And the rotor is right there. That's the part number right there. It's the Duralast as well, 7195 4DL, and these come with a lifetime warranty, and then this comes with a 3-year warranty. The dealer wanted about $700 for this job. We are saving the customer about $200 to $300. I can't remember how much I charged him, but for the parts, it's about, how much was it? How much did I tell you it's gonna cost you? 300. Yeah, we're charging the customer $300, and the dealer wanted 700, and the dealer gives you 12 months warranty or 1-year warranty, whichever comes first. And we are giving the customer a lifetime warranty on the brake pads and 2 years warranty on the rotor. You can't beat that. So let me set myself up, and then we get going.
She was last seen entering the club's office with a man identified as Ed. Sorry, nageze kugira report. Nageze kugira report and another nawe. Rotors petrol. Anti kati buli wovuga brakes. Si masiki era ne gye bajjemu basooka giwabulamu. Anti kati eri yadde eweddeko brakes zadde zigiridde nadde enduddo zikyusa. Ate omanyi ojimina okwesima. Anti kati olaba otegeeza kale kale.
What's up, guys? So pretty much that's what it takes to do a complete brake job on a 2021 Toyota Highlander, which is the brake pads and rotors. You can see we lubricated the brake pads, we lubricated the hardware and everything. So what's remaining right now is just putting the wheel back on, torque it to spec, and then we'll take the car on a test drive, banish the brakes, and make sure everything is working perfectly fine. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share for more tips on how to fix your vehicle. Marais here with Marai's Mobile Mechanics. We'll catch you on the other side.